I have here a queen size headboard. The assembly to put it together is very simple and straightforward. You just have to piece it together, and there's just a few screws that you just bolt it together, and then there's a little light underneath that you stick on so you can have a fun lighting effect. So it's very simple. And now we're just going to attach it to the bed, and I'll show you the other way you can attach it as well. So it comes with very simple screws that you just have to put in. It's not very complicated at all. So to use the light underneath, it just has a cord that you'll plug in, and then you can charge it right here around the top, and then it comes with a nice remote to use the lights. So if you're going to bolt it to the wall, you can see these two bars right here. This one, you're going to want to turn it and then tighten this one back up, and then this one's going to be pushed against the wall and bolted, and same with this one. It comes with the hardware if you want to bolt it to the wall. So if you're going to bolt it to the wall, you've got a screw and a drywall anchor if you need it, and you can just put it through here, and it's going to be bolted in 1, 2, 3, 4 spots on this side and the other side. So it comes with a bed frame adapter plate here. So it's going to help you make sure it will fit your bed frame that you currently have, and this headboard right here. So it comes with different holes so you can fit it accordingly to both of them here. And it has this side so you can flip it this way, and it comes up higher if you have something up higher. Mine's down lower. So I'm going to probably need to do it like this. So I'm going to push it this way so it's not poking out, and then I'll have to put it the screw through this piece and then put it through that piece, and then I can bolt it from the other side. So just mess around with the plate till it fits best. This is how we got it to fit. We put it down here and one up here, and it's nice and tight, and it's ready to use, and I can use it on my bed. So it has a USB-C, USB-A, and then it's just a normal outlet right here. So there's a set right here, and then on the other side as well. So this is connected to the LED lights underneath here, and it connects right here. If you don't want it, you can just unplug it as well. When you plug it in, it turns on. Comes with a remote. You can turn it off and on. It comes with different modes you can pick here, which is really fun. Also comes with an app you can download that does a million other things if you want to use that as well. So it's perfect to use this to charge your phone. Just like this, it charges, and this top piece here is perfect to set the phone directly on top as you're using the charging station. So there's really pretty horizontal boards. You can see the 3 right here and the one on top. It's perfect, the perfect size and shape and appearance to have with your bed. So this is nice and strong and sturdy. You can see it's not moving on me when I push on it. It's strong, and it's well put together and well made. So this queen size headboard is super nice. It's very simple to install and to assemble it and to put it either on the wall or the bed. It's nice you have those 2 options. It's really fun with a nice lighting effect. Comes with a really nice remote that you can control it, or you can download the app and use it that way as well. It's really fun and pretty in my bedroom, and it gives your room and bed a whole new look, and it makes it really fun to have the fun lights in the bed as well.